Nobody tells you this about tractor transmissions. If your tractor makes grinding or whining noises when shifting gears, don't ignore it. First cause, worn gear teeth. After years of work, the gears start wearing down. Second, bad synchronizers. They can't match gear speed, so the gears grind. Third, low or dirty transmission oil. Without lubrication, everything gets noisy. And sometimes it's worn bearings letting the shafts move out of alignment. Quick test. Check the oil. Listen if the noise happens only during shifting, and see if it's worse in specific gears. Shift smoothly, keep transmission oil clean, and never force the gear lever. Subscribe for real tractor fixes that save you thousands.